Hey guys, hello Mustafa.
Hey
Welcome to
Swapnil.
welcome to match 19 of this IPL. We had some cracking matches over the weekend. Some satisfying ones. I'm sure your team won, Mustafa, yesterday. Mumbai Indians won pretty comprehensively at that.
Pretty comprehensively, a very
Yeah,
convincing victory.
it wasn't looking that way when David Warner was around, but yeah, I mean, they were comprehensive, so we're back to Monday now, match 19, and today we have two teams who don't have a great IPL pedigree, and but in this IPL they've done well, both of them. Both of them recorded
Certainly, yeah.
three victories each. So we're talking about RCB versus Delhi Capitals today. Uh, it's match 19. It's going to be held at Dubai. So any opening notes before I get into the predictions, Mustafa?
I think both of these teams have a very big point to prove. Obviously, Virat Kohli, not that there are many changes in his side from last IPL seasons, but still they always have a point to prove. And Kohli being India's captain, he always wants to prove himself. And he
Yeah,
himself is so competitive that even if nobody's expecting of him, he still want to be as competitive as possible,
indeed.
right? And Shreyas Iyer being a young captain, the entire team being so young, I think Dhawan is one of the only experienced players in their side. So, it's a very, very young side. They have a point to prove. They want to prove how they can be the dark horses of the tournament and, go ahead and win. They're obviously on the tabletop. They're the only team who's lost just a single game until now. So, it's an interesting matchup. I think it's going to be extremely competitive. I'm not sure about the outcome, but I'm obviously going to predict one of it. But yeah, I think it's going to be an extremely competitive match.
Yeah, I think so. Both the captains are coming off very good knocks, satisfying knocks for
Yes.
both of them. Shreyas Iyer, in fact, set the tournament on fire with that incredible innings that he played in the
Yeah, it
last
was
match.
just 33 balls, and he just
87 runs. It's
imagine
just
playing 5 overs and creating such a big impact in the match.
massive,
Marvelous, amazing.
massive. In fact, if he had got some strike at the last over, he could have reached his 100 too.
100 definitely.
Yeah, yeah. So it was that kind. And Virat Kohli must be very happy with his form.
Finally.
Finally, he's hit some form. Uh,
Although I would say it was an easy match for him to play at the point that he came in. Like I think it was a little easier for them to chase that total down. But the
of
good thing is
course.
that at least he's got a momentum. So now even if it becomes a more difficult batting pitch, it'll still be easy for him to score runs.
Sure, absolutely. All right, Mustafa. So why don't we get down to predictions
Let's
straight
start.
away? Yeah. All right. My first question to you for today: what will the team batting first score in the first Power play, and there are three options for you: 35 to 45, 45 to 52, and or 52 plus. So I've changed it a
Okay.
little, unlike so 35 to 45, 45 to 52, or 52 plus. What's your pick?
I think both the teams have incredible openings. Like Finch being explosive, so is Adeshaw, so is Dhawan. So both teams are explosive openers. So I would say 45 to 52, not 52 plus because the Dubai Ka stadium, I think it's a little larger. So boundaries are a little further away. So getting in boundaries is going to be a little more difficult. So
Okay.
that's why I'm going with 45 to 52.
Okay. Okay. We talked about the captains, and the next question is about the captains. Now, which captain will have a bigger match with the bat, Virat Kohli or Shreyas Iyer?
This is such a difficult question. Both of them have come from an amazing inning. We just discussed this.
Exactly.
Both of them are equally competitive. Both of them are young. I don't know. I think this is just going to be like a lucky guess or a hunch because I think, see, if DC is to win, then Iyer has to perform. If RCB is to win, then Kohli has to perform. I think
Sure.
the winning side will have the captain performing really well in the particular match. I think it could be Shreyas Iyer.
You're banking on the younger Shreyas Iyer.
Yeah,
All right.
because his innings has been more consistent throughout the IPL. He's gotten a lot of starts. It's not just a couple, a lot of starts he's got, and
Yeah.
that was a quick scoring runs.
Quick score.
So again, I think that is why he has an edge over Kohli coming in this match.
Yeah, yeah, I think also for Virat, it's more a matter of. I mean, it's not just him. There are so many other batters. Padikkal is doing so well. Aaron
Yeah.
Finch is there. There's De Villiers who scored a half
De
century
Villiers, yeah.
also. So there is less pressure on him. On Shreyas Iyer, it's more like he's surrounded by some explosive batters, and it's him that needs to sort of also stay for the longest period. And if he
Yes.
stays for the longest period, he's adapted his game so much that he can now score very quickly as well. So
Definitely. I'm hoping Dhawan also to stay at the crease.
yeah,
I've been seeing he gets the starts, but before the first 10 overs, he's losing his wicket. I think he is not valuing his wicket as much
as
as it
much.
is should be valued. Because
Okay.
if he stays until 15th over,
Mhm.
the rest of the players can come and be more explosive.
Okay.
Because players like Pant and all, if they come in the 10th over, they might not be as effective if they were coming in the 15th over. So I think Dhawan should take care of his wicket and not throw it away.
Let's see. All right. My third question is about the bowlers. So some very wicket-taking bowlers, very effective bowlers in this match. Who will pick up 2 or more wickets in today's match? Either Kagiso Rabada, Yuzvendra Chahal, or Navdeep Saini, who's been very, very impressive. So which of
Saini's been really impressive. I was really I was not sure RCB playing him, but after I saw him bowl, it was a really good couple of I think it was the last over or something that he bowled in the last match.
Yeah.
Or second last.
Second
And
last.
he had those Yorkers spot on, like
Yeah.
spot on. Like that was a really, really good job. And we've known Saini to be hit for a few runs over the past few IPLs, but I think he's made a good comeback. Although there's Chahal in the same team, and that guy, I think he's the only spinner in the top 5 wicket taking bowlers in the entire IPL.
Bowled so incredibly. I mean, it's bowled so beautifully.
He's on first. I think Rabada is second, and even he's playing the game. And we know Norhe, he's another amazing bowler. So I think bowling in this particular match is going to be of top class.
Okay.
Who takes those 2+ wickets? I think because it is the bigger ground, it may be difficult to hit spinners for longer boundaries. So I'm going to go with Chahal because I think he can bowl really wide and he can really make Finch and other players stretch out to reach out for the ball, and that is where he gets his wickets from. So
you mean Iyer,
I think
because Finch obviously plays
Yeah.
for his team. Yeah, all right. Okay. So question number 4 then. Which all-rounder will create the biggest impact on today's match? You've got Shivam Dube playing for RCB. You've got Marcus Stoinis playing for Delhi. Both these guys have done well in this tournament.
Yeah.
And then there is a third option, which is Chris Morris, who he'll play his first game now. He was out with an injury, and he may replace Adam Zampa for this match. So who do you think, which of these 3 people will have a bigger impact?
I think Stoinis still, because I think he's the one who's going to bat and bowl. We've seen Delhi now. They've been using Stoinis more and more in terms of bowling also.
Yeah.
And he's come good to them in a few matches. So I think, and obviously we know Stoinis is hitting power. So if his bowling also comes as good as he's batting, then I'm pretty sure he's going to make a very big impact.
No, I think you're absolutely right, because Marcus Stoinis has been the finisher. And also he was entrusted with the ball even in the last match, right? I mean, he won them the match against KKR, because with Rahul Tripathi still there, anything could have happened in the last over. And he bowled a beautiful last over, an amazing last over. So yeah, I agree. A very smart pick. Question 5 then. How many runs do you expect to be scored in the last 5 overs of the first innings? Now, this is not Sharjah. We all know that. So I've sort of revised my options to you too as well. Less than 50, 50 to 60, or 60 plus.
I think 50 to 60 would be a safe option, because I think it might just be 50 or 51 or 52, but I think those many runs now, that's become a standard in T20 cricket. Doesn't matter what ground you're on. If you want to perform well, the last 5 overs at least have to go for 50 runs. Like that is just a given that we assume when you reach the 50 over, you see the team total, you add another 50 runs to it, and that should be at least your ideal total for the match. So I think 50 runs to 60 runs, that should be the bracket.
Okay. Having asked you 5 different questions, I'm going to ask the standard 6th one. So who's your pick for today's match? RCB or Delhi Capitals?
This is very difficult.
Always.
I think yesterday I got one right with Mumbai winning, but I got the second one wrong with Punjab winning the match against CSK. Phenomenal performance by
Oh
CSK.
my word!
And I
What a
think we
performance!
had one of our the
Experts.
experts who said specifically that Watson was going to win it for CSK, and it actually happened that way.
No, in
I
fact,
had
he
gone with
said
Raidu, but he never got to bat.
exactly. So,
His
in fact, he
batting never
said,
came up.
yeah. In fact, Gotham was the expert,
Yeah,
and
Gautam. Yeah,
he
Gautam.
said that Watson and Faf du Plessis will do well. He actually said that, and those are the two guys who won CSK
Exactly.
match.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So I'm
anyway,
hoping that he comes on more of these calls so that I can get some nice predictions from him. Also, I can learn a little bit more from him because I think he was spot on with it. For today's match, I'm gonna go with Delhi Capitals. The
okay,
reason why I picked Shreyas Iyer over Kohli because I feel like Delhi Capitals. It's
okay,
gonna be competitive match. I'm still not sure if I have the right prediction. Obviously, it's just a prediction, it's just a gut feel. I just feel like Delhi Capitals just have a lot of energy in them because of all the young blood in the squad.
okay. So thank you so much, Mustafa. It was fun hearing you making these predictions, and we'll
Definitely.
evaluate you like we always do. We'll evaluate you by the end of today's match and see how you've fared. And people out there, make your predictions live during the match and see how much fun it is. It is much more fun than fantasy. All right. So
Definitely more fun.
see you, Mustafa, tomorrow.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Have fun. Enjoy the match.
Bye.